Minnie, and this is Minnie.
Hello, Zuzu. We are your friends.
Hello there.
Oh, my friend has hiccups attacking her.
Where are these guys?
Was that Mutlu's voice?
He came as well, yeah. He ran away as I hiccuped.
Oh, we were playing hide and seek and we forgot him. So wait, he's still looking for us.
I got you right here. No, she's not here. Here? No. Hey, sis. Where in the world are they hiding?
Drink some water then. Stand on your head.
No, that, doesn't work for me.
We get on one knee and sing when we hiccup, and it's over so quickly. We do this kind of thing on the pink planet.
That's not all we do, is it? Gulp 10 times and make your eyes squint and it's over.
I'm sure that it works on your planet, but it doesn't work here.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to cure your hiccups.
Don't make a joke.
Boo!
Blah! Stop it, Neşe. Yoo-hoo! Isn't anyone here?
Wait, don't run away. It'll stop if I scare you, I promise.
It's over, see? So don't do that.
Did you see that? It's not over.
It's over. Who would know better than I would?
Haha! Don't make me laugh. That is a hiccup.
It's so not. It already stopped because of your surprise attacks.
Are you saying I did that to play with you?
Of course. You're out. You're out. Oh, this is no fun.
Come on now. There's no hard feelings. It's actually our mistake. We shouldn't have revealed ourselves to you like that.
Did I do it on purpose? Well, yeah. I just wanted to cure her and make her happy.
You said she was your best friend in the world? How can friends get offended because of things like that?
She's my dear best friend, but sometimes she can be a little careless.
So then what do you do with a friend?
When you're with a friend, you dream so many things. Sometimes you run and you play so joyfully. Sometimes you read a book, look at clouds and dream. You run to help her if she has a problem. She is the one who understands me, my cute, sweet friend, my very best friend. When you're with a friend, a very best friend, love them always.
My best friend! Let's not get angry with each other ever again.
Okay. Ha-ha! Here you are. I finally found you. Check it. My hiccups are gone. Hiccups, huh?
Well done, Mutlu.
I won this one. You lose. You definitely won this one, Mutlu. You are my hide-and-seek hero. Hero? Hero? Oh, man, what happened now? Now I have hiccups.
Come on, but be quiet.
Super, fly, sis. Fly.
Super Mutlu!
Mutlu? What happened to you?
Why are you so out of breath, Mutlu?
Following, Mutlu Super, fly, rescuing, fly.
You've exhausted yourself. Why don't I take you to the resting balloon, Mutlu?
What? Hold on, what's this resting balloon?
Of course! We use it every time we exhaust ourselves. All of your tiredness goes away when you're in it.
Neşe?
Oh, wow.
It's beautiful. This is perfect. I want one as well.
How cool is this?
It's wonderful. Can't you feel it? I'm flying. I'm actually flying.
What is
is happening here, Manny?
This is our resting balloon. I used it because Mutlu got so tired from running.
We normally only use it ourselves, but the others wanted to as well.
Sweetheart, you should also try it. It's so much fun.
I think we should also entertain our new guests. Come with me, Manny.
We have guests?
Hey! Look there! They were following you guys! Super Mutlu will protect you! No! This way, Balloon! I said this way!
They are not strangers, Mutlu. They are the children of our new neighbors, Efe and Ada. I met them both and their family yesterday.
Yes, that's right. They all moved into the house next to Mahmoud's house. Welcome to our yard, kids.
Welcome, you two. I'm Neşe. This is Zuzu. This is our superhero of a brother, Mutlu. And they are Minnie and Manny.
Ew! Did you really come from outer space?
Of course. Actually, we came from a planet very far away.
We're really happy to meet you, Efe.
Hello there!
And hello to you, Etta.
Come on! Let's go this way, everybody!
Hey!
I'll call their mom and tell her her kids will be with us for the rest of the day.
I think we're going to be seeing a lot of them now. Look, kid, they seem to be getting along great with our kids.
You can keep an eye on the kids, right, dear?
Absolutely.
Minnie, Manny, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Manny, they came to see all new things. Every moment, every day.